Every day, we look at the world, but how often do we truly see it? Beyond the obvious, beyond the sharp details, there is another way of seeing, one filled with emotion, movement, and meaning. Impressionist photography, it's not about documenting reality. It's about interpreting it. It's about transforming what's in front of you into something deeply personal. That is why I created Impressionist Photography, Seeing the World Differently, a complete guide to help you move beyond taking photographs and begin creating them. This book takes you on a journey from understanding the philosophy of Impressionism to developing your own unique visual voice. You will begin with the foundations, exploring the history and philosophy behind Impressionist photography and how it differs from traditional image making. Then we move into the most important shift of all, the Impressionist mindset. Learning to see with intention, to notice what others overlook, and to respond to the world emotionally, not just visually. You will discover how to craft emotion through composition, how to simplify, abstract, and guide the viewer's eye, not with sharpness, but with feeling. And most importantly, how to find your own voice, moving beyond imitation and into authenticity. Of course, techniques matters too. You will learn the essential technical foundations. Shutter speed as the language of movement, aperture as a tool for shaping focus, and color as a powerful emotional element. From golden light to moody weather, you will discover how light itself becomes your creative partner. Then we step into the heart of Impressionist photography, fundamental in-camera techniques. From intentional camera movement to focus manipulation and pure abstraction, you will learn how to transform ordinary scenes into expressive works of art. And as your confidence grows, you will explore creative combinations and experimental approaches, pushing boundaries and inventing your own techniques. But creating beautiful images, it's only part of the journey. You will also learn how to develop a consistent style, create cohesive portfolios, and build a body of work that feels uniquely yours. And along the way, you will find inspiration, how to develop meaningful projects, stay creatively engaged, and continue evolving as an artist. This is more than a photography book. It's an invitation to slow down, to observe, and to see the world differently. Because the most powerful images aren't just captured, they are felt.